failure is an option. Reality of life, it is. You will fail, you will trip at some time, you will make a mistake, that's how it is.
The best things I've learned, I should say, have come from failures that I've had in my career, and I am fully acknowledging that there will be more to come.
Follow your instinct, plan and research, network, learn how to say no and ask for help, and write down your vision. And if you do all of that, I guarantee you'll crush it.
I don't want to be known as resilient, I want to be known as anti-fragile and getting better with the chaos and the stress.
Yeah, there's going to be setbacks.
It's not about the failure or the mistake, it's about how you handle yourself in that moment or what you learn from it going forward.
If I think of my career and entrepreneurial journey, failure now has just become day-to-day operations for Grassland Ventures, I would say. Like, if we're not trying new things, willing to waste money on something that's a bit of a flyer, I don't think we're growing.
Take every opportunity you can to reflect. You cannot talk about your failures in a positive way without being a reflective person. You don't see opportunity in that kind of stuff.